This 2026 Forest River Forester La 1951 La is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Forest River Forester La 1951 La and is powered by a 7.3 L V8 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.